cutting my hair today, which is crazy to me because I've had my long hair probably for the past 3 or 4 years, and I've always been scared to cut it because I know I'm gonna hate it. But it's quarantine and it's time for a change, so can't go to a hair salon right now, so I might as well do it myself. My hair is very long, and when I say very long I mean very, very long. There's a lot. It's a lot of hair, it's a lot of work, it's a lot of effort, and it's annoying, and I'm sick of it, to be honest. My hair has always been a safety blanket to me. I quite literally use it to like cover myself, and I think it's time to just stop hiding under it and to let myself show through more. To other people it might just be a haircut, but it's a big deal for me because for a long time my hair was the only part of me that I liked. I didn't like anything else, but I'm trying and slowly but surely loving myself a little more, so that's why I finally built up the courage to cut my hair. So I have a tutorial that I'll be following from Mr. Brad Mondo, hairdresser extraordinaire, but I've never cut my own hair before, so I'm quite nervous to do such a drastic change. So I'm going to start just by giving it a trim using his method to see how that goes. If that goes well, then I'll be cutting off a lot. And by a lot, I mean we're probably going to be looking at this sort of length, which is crazy to me. Oh my god. I'm really excited, but I'm also really nervous, so I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a trim, and if it turns out poorly then you'll never see this video, so it's fine. I'm excited. So we're back. My mum basically did everything because I can't do anything behind my head, and we cut off an inch or two just on the back and around. Some of my hair, because I had layers, was too short to cut, so that hasn't really changed, but I'm just going to get it all back here and try to show you what it looks like. I think it's pretty good. Like, it looks pretty straight to us, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I think that means we are ready for the big chop. We are ready to cut it all off. Yeah. So my mum doesn't want to be on camera, but she has sectioned it out and we've pulled out how long we want it. I'm gonna do a big chop of just cutting it off to here, just straight across, just so it's not as fiddly when we're trying to do the point cutting. But these are my sections. I have 6 instead of 4 because I just have so much hair. So yeah, I think we're ready to snip. Okay, so I have my hair scissors and oh my god, I'm really nervous. Okay, we're just gonna say fuck it. Clearly this is a lot of hair because he's just struggling. I should have done a bit at a time. Well, it's too late to turn back now, so I guess we're doing this. It's so soft. Okay, I'm gonna pull these forwards, and because I'm not touching the elastic, it's not gonna mess it up or anything like that. Again, bring the next one. I can't believe I'm doing this. This took so long to grow. Two more left. There. Okay. Now people might be asking, if it took so long to grow and you're not sure you're going to like it and you're not sure about it, why would you cut your hair? Well, I'm turning 25 this year, and around this age your body stops regenerating as fast as it is degenerating. So there's a chance my hair is going to take a lot longer to grow in the future and might just stop growing altogether. My mum has already told me that her hair has basically stopped growing. So I thought, might as well do this now while my hair still grows at a decent rate, still healthy, and if I hate it, it'll grow back after like a year or two. So do it while you can. And that's what we have. It's a lot of hair. That's like a horse's tail. I just dropped a bunch. And for anyone wondering if I'm donating it, I actually can't. My hair is so treated. It has been bleached, dyed, again, and just had so many things done to it that you really couldn't make anything out of it. I'm not even sure that they even do it anymore where I am, so donation is out of the question. So the next step is going to be to do the point cutting. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it or if my mum's going to do it, but if my mum's going to do it, she's not going to want to be on camera, so you won't see it. So there's a chance you're just going to see the end result. So we've done all the cutting, and I'm going to just pull out. Ooh. Oh my god! Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so it's a little longer at the back, but we're probably going to go in and fix everything anyway, just to even it out a bit, but holy crap, that's really short. We touched it up. I think that might be as good as we're gonna get it for now. Yeah. I have like phantom hair syndrome. I'll be running it through and I just like keep pulling as if there's more hair to go through, but there's nothing there. I think we might attempt some layers, and I'm going to do some face framing stuff. So when I come back it will be completely done. I might style it, and I'm going to throw some makeup on for the final look. Yeah, I think I love it. Right now I am really liking it. I'm hoping that that doesn't change by tomorrow. This was a great experience. It was emotional. I cried when I saw the first short piece, just because it literally felt like I was this whole new person, and it just, I don't know, it feels really fun, and I really like it, and I really advise anyone who's thinking of changing their hair, go for it. There's only so much time you have on this earth, so just have fun. Don't worry about if you're gonna hate it or not, because it's hair, it will grow back, and if not, there's wigs. So thank you so much for joining me on this crazy adventure.